Why is nobody talking about GenSpark's AI super agent and how it can create ready-to-post Instagram carousel posts for you? If you're spending too many hours creating content and not enough time growing your actual business, this is the hack you've been waiting for. I literally just created 10 carousel posts in under 6 minutes. And the crazy part is, I didn't even need to use Canva or any other design tools. Let me show you how it works, because it's honestly game-changing. So I built a custom content repurposing agent in Notion that connects to GenSpark's AI agent. I just feed it one of my YouTube scripts, hit generate, and it instantly creates fully formatted carousel posts for Instagram. Slide highlights, hooks, body copy, captions, hashtags, everything. It also creates content for my LinkedIn and WhatsApp group, but I'll have to show you those in another video. For now, let me show you how a Notion custom agent plus GenSpark AI can automate your Instagram content. Here's the kicker. Carousels get 1.5 times more reach than regular posts and 3 times more engagement than single image posts. So you're using Instagram's best performing format while cutting content creation time down by 90%. That's powerful. But the real magic happens when you start batching. I can knock out an entire month of content in one sitting, all stored in my Notion workspace where I manage everything else. Let me show you. Okay, I'll use this script. How to learn anything fast using AI. Copy that. And then I open my side panel and you can see I already have my YouTube repurposing studio agent, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one. So over on your left side panel in Notion, click new agent and then say, I want to create an agent that repurposes my YouTube scripts for Instagram carousel posts. And push enter, and then Notion is actually going to create that custom agent for you to do precisely what you asked it to do. This page right here has all of the agent's instructions. What do you produce? A carousel plan with 8 to 10 slides, slide copy, captions, alt text, hashtags, what you need from the user, the YouTube script, great, or a transcript of the video. And then topic and audience, if it's not obvious, though over time, your Notion agent will actually learn and get better. Then it will know how to do that. Then you click this little blue button that says save, and that's it. Now your agent is ready to go. Now let's paste in that script and give it a try. I pasted in the YouTube script and in less than 5 seconds, here we go. Carousel, slide 1, hook, great. Now we have the whole thing. Then you click this copy response, and next we jump into GenSpark. You'll click here for all agents and select GenSpark Super Agent. Then I'll tell GenSpark Super Agent, create an Instagram carousel post based on this content. Use my attached logo and brand colors. That's it. Then I paste in all of that content and upload my logo and brand colors. When this is done in about 2 minutes, we will have a fully finished Instagram carousel post. You can see what the AI agent using the think tool, then it's using task assignment, image search. So it's actually going on the internet and searching for different images until it finds one that it likes. It also searches for design elements that match your branding aesthetic. Now we're done. View the results. Your Instagram carousel is ready. View all 9 slides here. Click this hand and you can drag the canvas. Look at how incredible this is. In literally less than 60 seconds, we have 6 slides that show the whole process. So let's see, where's slide 1? They're not in order, but I can settle for that. So number 1, learning a new skill doesn't have to feel slow. And it has my logo, incredible. So good. That's it. Now all I have to do is download these and schedule them to post. Okay, real talk. Content creation takes a lot of time, even when you're using AI workflows like this. In fact, you know what almost broke me when I was scaling my YouTube channel? It wasn't the ideas. It wasn't putting on makeup and showing up on camera. It was the edit. I was spending 6+ hours just on editing. In fact, sometimes my edits would spill over into the next day just to get one video ready to post. Something had to change. I tried freelance editors, but the decent ones were too expensive. I tried AI, but it's not a 100% solution yet. That's when I found Story. And honestly, I wish I had found them sooner. Story is a done-for-you editing service built specifically for creators and entrepreneurs. You record, upload, and their team of real human editors, not AI, not some template software, handles everything. Branded captions, B-roll, music, graphics, the whole thing. Short-form videos come back in 24 to 48 hours. And here's what blew me away. My editor actually gets my brand. The pacing, the style, the way I talk, it all comes through in the edit. And my viewers have no idea that I'm not sitting there cutting every clip myself, but that's the point. Since I've been with Story, I've been able to post consistently, stay on top of trends, and free up the time that I was losing to editing. Now I can actually grow my business. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. They have plans starting at just $267 a month for unlimited short form edits, which honestly pays for itself once your videos start converting. This isn't an ad, I'm just a big fan. Okay, let's jump back into the actual Notion plus GenSpark AI workflow that puts your Instagram content creation on autopilot. Here's the recap. You built a content repurposing agent, connected it to GenSpark, and now you have a micro content machine where you can drop in a YouTube script and get back a ready-to-post carousel, all set and ready to go in minutes. So here's what I want you to do next. Try this once with your most recent script. Literally just copy, paste, and run the workflow. Then batch 10 carousels in one sitting. Schedule them out and buy yourself back a week of your life. If you want more workflows like this, Notion agents, AI automations, and content systems that actually save you time, hit subscribe because I'm building a full content machine series and the next one is even crazier.